Welcome to your flexibility practice. Today, we'll move through 12 gentle yet powerful poses designed to open your body, release stiffness, and help you feel lighter from the inside out. Whether you're a beginner or restarting your yoga journey, each pose is crafted to stretch away tension and restore ease in your muscles. Take a deep breath, let your shoulders soften, and give yourself permission to slow down. This is your time, a moment to reconnect with your body, awaken your joints, and create space for movement. Let's begin. 1. Head to knee pose. Begin by gently folding toward one extended leg. Let your breath guide the movement as the hamstring softens, the spine lengthens, and your hip begins to open. This pose invites your entire back body to relax, creating a steady stretch that builds flexibility with patience and calm grounding. 2. Monkey pose. Ease into a deep stretch that invites openness through your hamstrings, hip flexors, and the entire front body. Whether you enter the full split or stay higher, honor your body. Monkey pose teaches you to respect your limits while gradually expanding them. Every breath helps you soften a little more, discovering space you didn't know you had. 3. Upward plank pose. Lift your hips toward the ceiling and open your chest wide. This pose stretches the front of your body, from the shoulders to the thighs, while strengthening your back muscles. Allow your head to gently fall back if comfortable. It's a powerful blend of expansion and strength, helping your body feel more aligned and mobile. 4. Low lunge. Step one foot forward and let your hips melt gently toward the ground. This simple yet powerful pose opens the hip flexors and creates space in the front of your body. Feel the stretch travel from your thigh up into your belly and chest, helping release tension built up from long hours of sitting. 5. Half split pose. Shift your hips back and straighten your front leg. With each inhale, lengthen your spine. With each exhale, deepen into your hamstring stretch. This pose strengthens your relationship with flexibility, teaching you to stay calm, even when your muscles ask for patience. 6. Lizard pose. Lower into a deep hip-opening stretch. Your inner thighs, groin, and hip flexors all awaken here. Melt into the pose slowly and let your breath carry you deeper. Lizard pose creates freedom in tight areas that affect posture, mobility, and daily movement. 7. Wide-legged forward bend. Spread your feet wide and fold softly toward the floor. Feel the stretch flow through your legs, spine, and inner thighs. Your posture loosens, your back decompresses, and your body learns to soften with gravity. This pose brings both grounding and release. 8. Bird dog pose. Balance on your hands and knees as you extend opposite arm and leg. This pose stretches your body diagonally while building stability and core control. As your spine grows long, your shoulders open and your hips find alignment. It's a gentle yet effective way to improve flexibility through controlled movement. 9. Seated forward fold. Extend both legs forward and fold softly. Whether you reach your feet or rest your hands on your shins, focus on lengthening rather than forcing. This stretch calms the mind and expands the entire back line of your body, improving flexibility with steady breath. 10. Pigeon pose. Sink into one of yoga's deepest hip openers. Allow your front leg to soften and your back leg to lengthen. This pose releases hidden tension stored in your hips, bringing comfort to your lower back and helping your entire body feel more spacious and free. 11. Boat pose. Balance on your sitting bones and lift your chest tall. As your core engages, your hip flexors and spine lengthen naturally. This pose builds strength and flexibility simultaneously, teaching you how control and breath work together to create balance and freedom in the body. 12. Reclining hand to big toe pose. Lie back and gently stretch one leg upward. Feel your hamstrings open and your lower back stay supported. Each breath softens the stretch a little more, helping your legs become lighter and more flexible with time. Take one last slow breath in and gently release it. Feel how different your body is now, softer, more open, and more alive than when you started. Flexibility isn't about forcing the body. It's about being patient with it, listening to it, and allowing it to unfold naturally. Thank yourself for showing up today, even if it was just for a few minutes. Every stretch, every breath, every moment of stillness adds up. If this practice made you feel good, support the channel by liking the video, sharing it with someone who needs a gentle stretch, and subscribing for more calming yoga flows. Until next time, stay flexible, stay mindful, and take care of your beautiful body.